Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today's topic is exercise B and exercise C. So, exercise B is we can write a or an before some of these words, fill in the blanks with a or an. Put a cross when you cannot write a or an before the word. Just as a quick review that we use a before the nouns that are singular and we use an before the nouns whose first letter is a vowel like a, e, I, o, u. And one very important thing is that we only take the sound of the vowel to which we use an before it. Like we have so many examples about it that, for example, you, the word U is a vowel, but uniform gives us the sound of a consonant. So we won't use a and before uniform, we use a before it. Similarly, there are other examples which we use a and just because of the fact that the first letter gives us the sound of vowel. So the first example is beers. We not use a or an with it, so we'll put a cross over here. Star, a star. Year, a year. Books, as it is plural, so we cannot use a or an before it. Eggs, cross. Wall, a. Apples, cross. Water, cross. Glass, a. Sugar, cross. Banana, a. Hills, cross. Boys, cross. Article, an. So here a is the vowel, so we use an. Rain, cross. Now it is an important note that in which cases we use the. As a quick reminder, let me tell you about where we use the. We use the before the proper nouns and with the important noun that is in the sentence that is to be talked about. Famous buildings, for example, Minar-e-Pakistan, the Faisal Masjid, the K2, the ranges. So there is no any discrimination between singular and plural. It just should be a proper noun and this noun should be talked about in a sentence. These are the few examples for understanding where we can use the. Now here exercise C is we have to put a, an or the before appropriate nouns. The Karachi Express. So why it is the? Because it is a proper noun. It is a name of a thing, name of an express. An arrow. It's a general arrow. This is not proper. This is improper noun, but it starts with a vowel. So we use an with it. The rainbow. Now here, why rainbow is specific? Because there is only one rainbow that exists and that has 7 colors on the sky. So that's why it's important. It's specific. So we use the with it. Similarly, question. Now question is a random noun. It's an improper noun and it's singular. So we use a with it. The university, the sun, an umbrella, ox, a uniform, an orange, an igloo, the Arabian Sea, a boy, the Indus, an ass. Now here, one thing I need to clarify over here that the university, we can also write a university over here because we are not told about the particular university here, but as it is an institution, name of institution, so it depends upon the context. We use the university if in the context we are showing it a specific noun, we use the with it. Otherwise, if it is an improper noun or not specific, we will use a with it. So this is it for today. Take care of yourself.